Welcome to Aberystwyth Town. What have you heard about the club and what convinced you to join?
I've heard a lot of good things. I've heard good football, good fans, good place to play football. So when I heard the offer was in, I couldn't really say no to join such a good club.
Yeah, similar to me. Spoke to Owain, who's also joined here. Together, we thought it was the best thing for both of us, and we're looking forward to playing here this season.
Good lad. Looking forward to having you. Tell us a bit about your footballing background and what your experience is to this point.
I've been at Shrewsbury Town for a couple of years, done my scholar there. I was at Hereford last season, and I've had a few loan spells elsewhere, so I've played my good share of senior football, so looking to continue and get a few more senior appearances under my belt here now.
Good. What can the fans expect from you on the pitch?
For myself, it'll be hard work. I'll always give 100%, and hopefully a winning mentality. So obviously after speaking to Gav this year and what he wants to achieve, I think a winning mentality will be crucial for us this year to, be in the table where we want to be.
Great. It's been a long 5 months without football. What have you been doing, keeping busy?
I've been training hard. Haven't really given myself a break, to be honest. Kept myself fit, kept myself busy, and I'm ready to go now. So
Glad to hear. Last question. What are your ambitions individually and for the team this season?
Individually would be, obviously, as a midfielder, goals and assists would be one thing that I get judged on. Obviously I play a little bit deeper, so more assists I'd say than goals, but hopefully I can chip in. And as a team, obviously we want to be as high up in that table as we can, pushing for the top 4, pushing for Europe, and hopefully we can do that this year.
Great, that's what we like to hear. Thank you, lads.
Cheers, mate.